we're back. We're in Phi Phi Island. We just got here. We're just gonna go check into our hotel room, check it out. Looks pretty cool so far. Just got to our room in Phi Phi Banyan Villa. Check it out. Got the nice little bed. Got a nice little patio section out here. Got a screen door for once, which is lovely. And the weather is super hot and nice. So we just had our welcome drinks at our hotel bar. The island's beautiful. It's so nice, as you can see in the background. This is paradise. Took a look around all the restaurants. They're all so close, so it was hard to choose, but we decided to go for this place called Phi Mediterranean, or EF Mediterranean cuisine. And yeah, it looks like it's supposed to be one of the top restaurants of the island, so we're gonna go check it out. It's literally a 1-minute walk away from our hotel. See you there. Sadikap, Sadikap. Hello. The Mediterranean place was closed. We decided to go to Phi Phi Pad Thai. Looks like it's gonna be pretty good. We got a couple of interesting characters working here. They're very funny. And pretty excited for the food. I'll show you soon. Pad Thai Phi Phi, ladies and gentlemen. Looks good. So now it's just got her Pad Thai. Just gonna try it out. See how she likes it. It looks very good.
Wait, I forgot to put the peanut.
First impressions. The view is beautiful. I love it. Cruising on the lookout for some coffee, late night coffee.
Cruising.
With the gang.
Wanted 7-Eleven coffee, but it's not good enough.
We're gonna see what we can find. Hey guys, so 5:30 in the morning. We're going to the viewpoint, check out the sunrise. It's still dark, but hopefully by the time we get there, it'll be perfect timing. So we just booked an impromptu Longtail tour. We're gonna go check out Maya Bay and the surrounding areas of Phi Phi Lay. Check it out. We figured we were gonna go down to Long Beach and get some sun. We might as well do it the right way. You know what I mean? All right, guys, here we are in the water, in the middle of Phi Phi Lay. Super nice, clear. Hey, you can walk.
Hi, little fishy.
So we're just chilling in Maya Bay right now. The beach back that way. Wait, yeah, back this way. This is my friend Don.
Don. From Thailand.
From Thailand.
It's my friend from Thailand, Don.
Don, he's the one who took us out on the boat today. Very good price, very good service. Let us do whatever we want. Definitely recommend him. If you see him in Phi Phi Island, make sure to use him because he's good. He's a very good guy. Since we came back later in the day, the tide's super low, so he had to let us out back over here. It's just a short walk. The water's literally about a foot deep, not even. And yeah, I asked him where we could find him on Phi Phi, and he said, you just ask for Don. Go around asking for Don, you'll find him. He'll take you out on his boat. Very, very affordable. We paid 1,200 baht, which is about $16 each. Normally there is no motorized vehicles on the island here, but with the odd case of construction and stuff, they do have a few trucks and a few cars on the island. And then obviously there is the odd motorbike. Alrighty, so here are some of the drone shots that I got in Phi Phi. Check them out. Alright, so we're finally making it to the viewpoint, hopefully on time for the sunset. Crawling up a bunch of stairs right now. Hopefully we make it this time, guys. It's actually sunset, not sunrise, because we couldn't make it that other day. So now it's time. Alrighty, we're almost there to viewpoint number 2. We kind of skipped through viewpoint 1 because it was a nice view, but we want to make it to the sunset on time, so we're just kind of skipping through. Alrighty, so we've been on a mission to get to viewpoint 3. It's closed and kind of hidden off, so we're just ripping it up this hill here to try to make it. And we made it. Look at that view. We're all here. It's just me and her. We're all here alone, exhausted, but totally worth it. Look at that red sky behind the mountain. Looks so nice. I'll show you some shots.